What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Yes, I know you guys have been peeping out the new unboxings I've been revealing the last couple weeks. Also, if you guys have been paying attention to the IG posts I've been putting up recently, as you can see, clients have been ordering some pretty dope stuff. So the reason why we're here today is I have another unboxing for you guys for a client that is in Arizona. She was super excited to know that, hey, someone from Oakland, is designing some really nice shoes and she wants to support. So without further ado, we are going to open up this thing right here, this box, and see what's in store. Let's see how this thing came out. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up real quick. You gotta be careful. You don't want to cut into the box or whatnot. Make sure you get it real good. Boom. There you guys go. As you can see, the KOFFI Noir, the gold elephant. Whenever you see this, just know this is from us. If you don't see this on the box, then you might want to check and make sure you got it from a legit spot. Also, you guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of my shoes, you can easily go to the website at KOFFINOIR.com. That's KOFFINOIR.com. And yeah, everything there that you see on the website is available for purchase, made to order. If you see something on there that you like but you want it in a different colorway, all you have to do is reach out to me and we can most definitely accommodate you in regards to modifying the colorway of the shoe, putting some different materials, things of that nature. And yeah, I'm way happy you said. So what you guys are looking at right here in my hand is the Luke Double Monk Oxford, or pretty much a double monk shoe. That's a typical name for it. And pretty much what that refers to is this part right here. It's a strap with this piece right here that flips over. It's a super dope shoe. The Double Monk is one of my favorites as well. Just the versatility of it. Usually when I see someone wearing these, it's like, okay, yeah, they mean business. I see a Double Monk. So now you take it a step further and then you add a crepe sole to it. Now this right here is the game changer. I'm a fan of crepe soles. Not everybody's a fan of crepe soles because they tend to get dirty at the bottom, pretty quick, of course, right? Naturally, because you're going to be walking out in the elements, and stuff gonna get dirty. But nonetheless, though, it's super soft, it's comfortable, and the beautiful thing about this, these are Goodyear welted. So if the client wants to remove the crepe sole, she most definitely can do so. And when she takes it to her cobbler, he can put a leather sole at the bottom for her. Put a leather sole here, and all of the corkage that's in here, all that stuff is in here. All he has to do is replace it with a leather sole, leather, and a leather heel stack. Boom, and you got you a regular leather shoe basically. So and then on top of that, she can always get these resoled. So I always advocate for Goodyear welted shoes because of that. And also too, your shoes typically tend to last even longer. So yeah, so far so good. It looks nice. But you guys see, the reason why I keep turning the shoe is because I want to make sure there are no defects or anything that I may need to raise an alarm about. But so far so good. One of the shoes look good. We want to check out the other shoe real quick. this up here actually. Of course, complimentary shoe horn comes with all of our shoes. Okay, the other one is here. Actually, let's move this up. It's here. Yeah, these are beautiful. Super nice. It's a beautiful shoe. Also too, for the ladies, I know you guys know I specialize in menswear, in particular making men's shoes, but my shoes are unisexed, so that's very important. A young woman ordered these for herself. The smallest size I can make is a 5 in some shoes, a 5.5 in others. So, if there are women out there that are interested in wearing these types of shoes, I most definitely can have those made for you. And then also too, I do have a women's sizing of shoes as well that I can offer. We can set up a consultation and I can show you what I have in inventory. I do have like flats. I do have some heels as well. And also too, if you like shoes with broguing on it like this, you like Oxfords, you like boots, things of that nature, I have that also available, even though I don't necessarily show it on the website, but it is available for order. One thing that I can do, I am thinking about doing actually, is actually posting, posting more of those types of shoes up so you guys can kind of see, everything that I have to offer. At the end of the day, our brand, we support everyone. Anyone can wear our shoes, especially if it's something that fits within their lifestyle, of course, or they just are enthusiasts, of shoes in general. So I'm just gonna let these sit here for a little bit so you guys can take a look at them. Man, they came out really good. I can't stop picking them up. Like I'm really impressed. Just everything is there. All the way down to the heel. Like it's a beautiful shoe. I can say that without a shadow of a doubt. The quality is there. The lining is soft. Everything is where it needs to be. This is a beautiful shoe. No doubt. This is a beautiful shoe. It came out really good. But yeah, guys, this is the Luke Double Monk. You can find it on the website again at KOFFINOIR.com. Just go to, is it under casual? No, it's not under casual. It's under dress. And as you scroll on that page, you will see different versions of the Luke Double Monk. And yeah, I highly suggest you guys, get it. I love this shoe. This is one of my personal favorites. And if you don't believe me, I can show you this version as well that I have in the Luke. So you guys can see it. Also, this has like a spade, has more of a spade shape. This one has more of a round toe. This one has a spade shape, so it bevels in. I really like it. So yeah, this is the Luke as well with the patina. Also, this one has metal toe taps with a closed channel heel. So I'm just showing you guys, the different things that you guys can do with my shoes. Again, it's just a matter of, setting up a consultation and we can get together and design a shoe made for you, one of one. And we'll be good to go. So yeah, without further ado, again, this has been my unboxing. And thank you for supporting KOFFI Noir. So I'm gonna give you guys a side view. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.